Hi vlog. It is currently week 3 of study abroad and I just left my last class, which was kind of sad because my teacher said tomorrow is her last day teaching us, so I'm so sad. But right now I'm going to go see if I can go to some stores to look at some clothes because me, Emmy, Sophia, and hopefully Lucia are going to Paris this weekend. So I want to get some more clothes to wear. So I'll pick you back up later when we get there. I forgot to say hello to y'all again, but basically I took a nap and I edited the rest of the day. Now I'm going to see my friends at a restaurant. Hi vlog. I got out of class like 20 minutes ago and I'm trying to find a dress for Paris right now, as well as pencils because I don't have any pencils for class, I only have pens. So I'm trying to do both those things right now. Okay, the highlighter and pencils are secured. Hey vlog, it's later in the day and I'm walking to the CEA Kappa building because we're going to a flamenco dance workshop at 6 p.m. So that's where I'm on my way to right now. Hey vlog.
Is it good?
It is good. I definitely forgot to record the paella we ate, but I got ice cream. Hey vlog. I got out of class and for my second class we have a new teacher. She was really nice and I had a great time in class today. So I'm just going back to my homestay. I'm probably gonna study or edit videos, so we'll see. Hi vlog, it's much later, and I'm going to get ice cream with Lucia and Sophia, and yeah. Hey vlog, I got out of class and I went to the ATM to get euros because I'm going to Paris today. This is my fit. But now I'm walking back to my homestay and this is the end of this vlog. Bye!